It is said that this estate is magnificent, that the landscape is unassuming, honest, and beautiful. It is said that it looks like Tuscany. It is said that the cypresses that flank the path greet travellers. It is said that it welcomes all those who wish to find out more about it. Welcome to Bodegas Costés del Sió, where ambition and enthusiasm come together to create great wines that embody the essence of our homeland. It all started with the ambition of a restless man, Juan de Porcioles, who had always dreamed of living in the country, cultivating the land and raising his own livestock. So it was that, in 1992, the Porcioles-Bouchot family bought the property. Since then, the estate has been developed with hard work and enthusiasm, and endowed with its own character and singularity. Today, it is known as Finca de Flix. At the same time, Juan de Porcioles, a great lover of wine, gradually developed the idea of cultivating his own vineyard to produce wines with a distinct personality and of the highest quality. So, in 1998, and with the help of friends and family, he planted the first vineyard, Viña Vella, by hand, prompting the recovery of wine growing in the region. This was quite a project, which, today, thanks to his wife and children, is becoming a reality. Bodegas Costés del Sió, a man's dream come true. The estate, which belongs to the Porcioles-Bouchot family, is located in the Noguera region, in the municipality of Balaguer, and forms part of the Costés del Segre designation of origin. It is an agricultural and livestock farm, covering a total of 700 hectares, of which 71 are used to grow vines for the exclusive production of our own wines. It is an estate of breathtaking beauty, a haven of peace and tranquility, which also produces olives and cereal crops, with its own sheep and cattle herds and a game preserve. All of these elements in our comprehensive project complement each other, achieving a perfect ecological balance. Throughout the year, we cultivate, experiment with, and study the behavior of the vines in our vineyards in order to obtain the highest quality grapes. According to Juan Porcioles, a great wine starts in the vineyard and we need to take good care of it. The grape harvest in Bodegas Costés del Sió is a very special event. Once the different vineyard plots have been classified according to their quality, only the highest quality grapes are harvested for the production of our wines. The grapes arrive at the cellar in boxes or on small vibrating trailers, and they pass through a sorting table, where grapes that are considered inadequate are rejected. The cellar is equipped with the latest in technology, enabling us to deal with each consignment of grapes individually, in order to get the best out of each wine. We also have a micro-vinification room, where R&D, or research and development, trials are carried out in order to improve on an ongoing basis. The barrel room was built underground in order to incorporate it in the landscape and better insulate it from the regional temperatures. It contains 300-litre barrels, most of which are made of French oak, of different cooperage, origin and toast, thereby allowing us to choose the appropriate aging profile for each type of wine. The aging of the wine then takes place in the settling room. Our priority is to maintain consumer confidence, to enable consumers to continue enjoying the sensation of savouring a good wine.